we are delighted to say that the Team Wild prep treadmill has arrived. Which means abs are on the go, which means I can finish my prep without leaving the house to do the cardio first thing in the morning.
And I can jump out of the bed and obviously do my cardio before I do anything else.
And as you can see, yeah, we've been on a diet for how many days now?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
So 4 or 5 days. Has already hardened up a lot. She started at 60.9 and she's now, well, we don't know, you can see she's dropped a lot of water in less than a week. So prep for mid-September, late September show.
Yes.
Is easily.
In Leicester.
So you'll be competing at the Leicester UKDFF show, we think, in September.
18th of September. Be there.
Anyway, prep train at Casa has started.
Woohoo!
Thanks for watching.